All right. Good morning, cyber traders. Good to see you, Grant. Good to see you, Michael. Everybody on YouTube, Facebook Live. Welcome back. Good to see you all. Just want to get the chat up here so I can see everybody going on. Good to see everybody can hear me loud and clear. Good. All right. So what a hell of a morning we're getting this morning, huh? This Nikola, what the hell is going on with this thing? This thing's been on a big run up for since June. You're talking a 50-cent stock. It's already up at $3.50. We're going to talk a little about it. You could see that one thing that's really exciting about it, this stock just basically went all the way up here to about that, right around that 350 and just came right back down 320. I mean, everyone here, if you were here at 8:30 this morning, about less than 30 minutes ago in the Cyber Group room, I know everyone here on social media, you could always be able to come and join us by, registering and clicking on that QR code up there with your phone and scan it. But that stock right there hit a big resistance levels right at that 350, but that $3 price range. And we were in here right around 8 o'clock this morning. We saw that thing starting to pick up. And you're literally talking about a 50 cents run. I mean, you owned 1,000 shares of that stock, 50 cents, $500, $100,000 a year salary. I would take that all day. And we'll talk about this one and a lot more because today is Tuesday. And what is Tuesday known for? Traders Tuesday, not Taco Tuesday, Traders Tuesday. So, and we also got phase 3 that's going on today and tomorrow. So if you're a student of mine, look forward to seeing you there. But there are a lot of stocks that are moving this morning. I'm very excited what we got going on, and we're going to definitely get the list going on here. But before we do that, what is today also? It is the first day of the month. Now, yesterday, being the last day of the pay period, usually people think, well, maybe Friday is. No, yesterday was. So there was a lot of action, some stocks yesterday. We did great on some of them. We're going to talk about some of those stocks right now and cover those. Hold on a second. Oh my goodness. We're going to talk a little bit about those stocks, and we're going to see exactly what they did and how they work, all that good stuff. Because some of them we did really well on. So I want to start off with some of this. Let's start the swing trades first. So Yell was, you heard the news on this company. It's filed bankruptcy. It just fired all these people. Horrible news what happened with the company, regarding about yellow trucks. But I don't know, kind of did pretty well yesterday, right? That stock literally ran, you could see from here, right at the gate, ran from 80 cents up to $1.70. That is a 100% move. And then right here in the afternoon, you can see had another big move, went from here at $1.40 all the way up to about $1.90. And that stock just basically was just a really nice move yesterday. And that was a great run up all the way going into the close at 3:30, where program trading kicks in, which you all know from the clock, right? Everybody see the clock right there? You could see there, right, the last 30 minutes in the first hour was great runner up there. So that one also. So if you came in after and you missed the morning run, you could have traded the afternoon. I'm gonna save some of the two for last. Sophie was also a great runner. So Sophie, you could see it right here. This stock literally ran from 980, and right when the market opened up here at 9:30, things just rocketed from 10:30 all the way up to about 1160. Not as great as a big mover as the other one, but pretty well. PLTR, another good runner-up, did a huge slingshot right here when it opened at the gate, went from 19 down to 1840, and then went all the way up to about $20. This stock has not only been a good day trade for us, but what have we learned? And I'm going to repeat this 1,000 times. How do you become a good swing trader? How do you become a good options trader? I don't care what anyone tells you. You have to learn how to day trade first, because what happens over the day trade trickles into a swing trade to an investment, okay? And we're going to talk about some of those stocks that we had that did move. So anyway, that stock worked out pretty well too itself. Another one, AMS, this one actually this morning, it's up $13. So this is a great stock. I want to talk about this stock really quick. So this stock is running up pretty big. Josh, one of our instructors, so some of you on social media, you'll get to meet him when you come in the trading room, but everyone here, Josh actually got some stupid luck yesterday, okay? So this stock had some good moves yesterday, all right? You could see it right here. It's one of the super semiconductors, and you could see right here that this stock ran from 950, and it literally ran all the way up to a price around right around $10. So Josh, what he decided to do, he says, you know what? let me just buy an option on it, one of these super semiconductors. And sure enough, he did. He bought a few contracts. So actually, not, yeah, but more than a few contracts, he told me. And sure enough, he woke up to this. Okay. Now, how did he know to do an option play on a semiconductor other than knowing what to look for, what happened yesterday? Well, because he knows how to day trade. And that's what everyone has to look at here. Everybody has to understand. And this is what we always stress. And this is why we're going to talk about this in class. And I know some of you here always think like, I don't know, can I do this? It's too fast. Maybe I could, I was convinced to trade, I was convinced to trade options because they said I could buy more, I got more leverage. That's horse crap. Okay. That is just more 5 times, 10 times more riskier than just to buy the stock. But how do you know what option to trade if you don't even know what the hell the stock's doing or what to look for? Oh, well, I can't afford Tesla, so I got to trade Tesla options. No, you don't have to do that. And that's the misconception people have. But what a great stock. Now, regarding about a swing trade also, Kava. I mean, let me tell you, I took my wife yesterday out to lunch, and I said, you want to go to Kava? I said, and you guys know the story. I've been a big fan of the stock. I actually averaged up. I bought a lot of shares of Kava, okay? So the reason why Kava, they said, is going to be the next they're saying the next Chipotle. Where's Chipotle today? $2,000. Is Kava going to 2,000? I wish, but I'm not holding my breath. But she's doing really well yesterday. She had a really good run. A lot of you here saw the IPO. A lot of us jumped in once again around 42. I averaged up around 50. I bought more on it. I bought more at like 50 and a half. We're at 57. So, but once again, this is a swing trade. This is not a day trade. Okay. Day trading stock is very untradeable, big spread, ugly move. But anyway, that stock's doing pretty well. But the big winners that are actually moving, which turn into a day trade, which turn to swing trades, are stocks like Nikola, which is doing great, PLTR doing great, and then last but not least, Tupperware. Tupperware has been on fire. Okay, this stock was 60 cents. It's up $5. It not only became a day trade, became a swing trade. The only issue that we have with Tupper is that it is extremely going up way too fast. It is up literally almost 1,000% in the last 5 to 7 days. We know what happens when that happens. It could be a big short squeeze. It could be whatever. But you know what? Stock did phenomenal yesterday. It ran on the day trade from 3 all the way to about almost 5. She's up again today. So Tupper lady's looking pretty damn good today with that stock. All right. Once again, that news that came out of this big investment that came out on it, the stock obviously did pretty well with it. So we got the Tupper and we got Nikola that now trickled into a day trade, turned into a swing trade that's still on there, and the Kava. But now let's find out what's moving over the course of the day. So there are a couple of stocks that are moving. There's this one right here, ABVC. Let me bring it up. ABVC. Oops. I got to load up on my level 4. But this stock also had a really nice push right here. Nice. It just ran from $8.30 from about $2 to about $5. It's up about 85%. We got some resistance levels right around here, around the 6 price range. It looks pretty volatile right now. Tier size look really small. I would probably put this on the B list, but she is moving ABVC, so she is going to go on the Fausto list. Another stock, AMSC, is the one, obviously, super semiconductor. This is going on our watch list. AMSC. It is, okay, now the issue with this one too, and I know some of you took phase 1 and phase 2, we did talk about the tradable rules, tradable, trend, and trap, those 3 T's. Remember, this stock is probably in a category 3 to 4 category. So that's probably why, one of the reasons why you might not be able to day trade, but you might be able to do an option trade on it. Another one, this is gapped up pretty big, but it's going down. Nikola, we know why it's up. That's already on the watch list. We already banged that one out. OCOA, yeah, this one, Ocean Bila. Yeah, did we trade the stock before? Yeah, I remember the stock. Yeah, right here, the stock went from 6 to 26. Absolutely. Absolutely. The stock can move. She's got good volatility. Trade about 2 million shares already in pre-market. I'm going to go check over here on level 4. Got that one right there. Let's see what else we got. This one up 17%, 2 million shares. This one looks a little bit tradable. I'm just checking over here on OC. Yeah, we got a couple of orders that showed up. One guy just showed up here at 550, it looks like right here. And then he came back down. So big buyer right here. Yeah, so I like the OCEA. RGTI, she's kind of flat, but she's been doing pretty well on a swing trade, 50 cents up to about $3. This stock also, looks like a pretty good pretty good swing trade on that stock too. So we'll put that on our watch list. This stock's getting crushed. Pharmaceutical stock, I think we learned a little bit about those. New York Stock Exchange. Okay, we're getting a huge run on this stock right here. Now, this is kind of weird. It's up. It's gapped up. This stock, was this a reverse stock split? No, it doesn't look like it. I don't know what the hell this is all about. This stock literally went from like $1 all the way to 14. Oh, my God. Talking about a short squeeze. I got to check out the news on this one. SNMP, Snap. This stock, my God, this is like unbelievable. What a big run. Yeah, this is a stock that was yesterday that we traded, got halted. But she's, you know what? She's trading pretty high today. All right, so this one, I think I told us about this before. Be careful of these stocks like this because these things could really destroy you. Very, very volatile, very dangerous. This stock looks a little bit more tradable. It's got good volatility in pre-market, went up and down. This one's not bad too. QBTS. We'll check over here on level 4. QBTS. What we got going on here on data? Looks pretty good. I mean, looks got some decent volume. Looks like buyers did get executed here, but there was some big buyers that showed up around 220. Nice little level 1 stock for some of you beginners. This could be up your alley. So 13%. That pretty much does it. Mankind taking a big hit. MNK. You know why that's down. You know that's why this one's down. And then Norwegian looks like it's taking a big hit. Looks like earnings came out 7:30 and not looking too well for that. All right. Chuck is saying KOLD is moving pretty well too. KOLD. Yeah, I mean, listen, stock's going up pretty nicely, but you should remember about this stock. It's an ETF, very difficult to read on level 4. And it is expensive, Chuck. All right. Anything else we didn't call out? Anything else? I think we pretty much got a big list right here. Look at this list. Oh my God. Very, very big list. So why? Traders Tuesday. So let's get ready for the market open up, everyone. So we got literally, once again, we have about 15 minutes. If you're watching on social media, please, everyone, just make sure you like us, friend us, and feel free to join us every morning here at 9 a.m. at 2:30, or you can come and join our trading room for live and join us for one full week. We posted a link up there for class phase 3 that's coming up. And then, like I said, if I don't see you in class, stay in this trading room. And if you're new here to Cyber Trade University, a trial member, just make sure you talk to your education advisor and just sit there and just watch and see what we do and see how we teach our traders to think for themselves. Good luck, everyone. Happy trading. Be safe. And let's get ready for a brand new August.